Ever wondered about the challenges that arise when repairing photovoltaic or PV panels? One of the common issues is the interruption of ribbon bus bars, which are critical components that help transfer the generated electricity out of the panel. The traditional repair methods often involve expensive electroluminescence images, making the whole process quite costly. But what if there was a simpler, more cost-effective way? Enter the innovative technique developed by a Spanish research team led by CIAMAT. This game-changing method bypasses the need for pricey electroluminescence images. Instead, it involves a straightforward process of removing and replacing damaged bus bars and backsheets. Soldering and sealing damaged areas are also part of this new approach. But even with this simplified method, safety remains paramount. Post-repair safety testing is an essential part of the process. Any modules that don't pass the safety tests are recommended for decommissioning. The beauty of this new method lies not just in its simplicity, but also in its effectiveness. The study found that these repair techniques can significantly boost power output in damaged modules. This means not only are the panels restored, but they're also performing at a higher capacity than before. So, to recap the key points about this new method. First, it eliminates the need for expensive electroluminescence images. Second, it involves a simple process of replacing damaged components and sealing the areas. Third, it emphasizes the importance of post-repair safety testing, and most importantly, it can significantly increase the power output of repaired modules. This new method is more than just a repair technique. It's a cost-effective solution for maintaining PV modules across various settings. It not only solves a common problem, but does so in a way that enhances the panel's performance. That's a win-win situation for everyone involved in the world of photovoltaic panels.